Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme GT and let me show you how to block unwanted number. At first, open your phone dialer, pick the contact that you want to block, click on more and tap on block number. Click on block again to confirm, and that's it, that will be all. Whenever you wish to unblock it, tap on more and select unblock numbers. So as for the contacts, it's all. However, you can also enter some general rules. To do it, click on more, go to settings, pick block numbers, and here you can smoothly block all unknown colors. Also, by tapping on add phone number, you can provide here some number manually. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.